This video is to go over the features and benefits of Humiditrol Plus, or our modulating hot gas reheat system on Model L units. So one of the things that we want to talk about when we're talking about Humiditrol Plus is all the components are operating in a variable capacity in order to vary the latent and sensible load. So for our variable speed compressor, it is going to be modulating based on the dehumidification demand in the space. The further you are away from set point, the faster that compressor will run to remove more moisture from the air. Our indoor blower will be operating to maintain a saturated suction temperature, which is basically the evaporator coil temperature. It is going to try and optimize the airflow so that we're removing as much moisture as possible from the air. Our outdoor fans are going to be modulating to maintain a discharge air temperature, and so that's how we control the sensible load going to the space, and that will create a neutral air overall. Just like our units today, the reheat valve is going to be an on-off reheat valve when we're operating in hot gas reheat. And so that basically describes all the components with the Humiditrol Plus or modulating hot gas reheat operation. So let's walk through the setup on the app just to see some of the features and options that you'll see as you're setting this up in the install wizard. Okay, so going through setup and install, you hit your normal buttons, the time, the configuration, the model number, serial number, things like that. And once you have that for Humiditrol units, configuration ID 1, position 1 will be set to H. And basically once you're there, you'll be able to select a dehumidification mode. No conditions means that as long as you have a dehumidification demand, you will enter that hot gas reheat operation. So as you click next, you'll be provided with more menu options. Really the sensor or how you want to indicate that you have a dehumidification demand. So your options are your DI4 for 24 volt controls. You'll have your network sensor or local sensor. That can be a 0 to 10 volt, or that can be a CS8500, something like that, that provides that value to the core controller. And from there, even with units with Humiditrol or hot gas reheat, we will still have the option to enable enhanced dehumidification through the mobile app. And so in this one, we're going to go ahead and click yes. And there you have it. So now you have a unit configured with Humiditrol operation.